This makeup look is inspired by Madhuri Dixit from Devdas. First, I started by using some color corrector in the shade Light Peach and applied it to the areas that I needed color correcting. Then I used a brush to buff it out. After color corrector, I applied concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit, also from Huda Beauty Full Filter Collection, and I also applied it to my lids to use it as a primer. To set my eye area for application, I like to use a little bit of powder. I used Huda Beauty Baby Bake in the shade Pound Cake. I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered for the majority of this look. It is one of my favorite palettes, and I'm going to start with the shade Doll Face and apply it right above my crease and blend in an upward motion. I need a really vibrant pink for this look, so I'm going to apply a few layers until I get a vibrant pink shade. First, I thought I would do a cut crease for this look, but her look is not a cut crease, so I just stuck to just basic application of the shadow. I'm going to deepen this pink that I just applied by using the shade Risque, which is kind of like a darker pinky plum color. I'm hoping that will provide a lot of vibrance and depth to this look. I realize that her reference photo does have a filter on it, so it's kind of difficult to get the exact shade, but I'm going to do my best to get a very deep pinky plum shade. For my lids, I wanted to use like a really light white color, so I'm taking the shade Avalanche, which is that white shade, in my Icy Nude palette, also by Huda Beauty, but you can use any palette or any light colored shade for this look. This light shade is going to provide a good way for the shimmery shades to pop very well when they're on my lids. This champagne shade is called Center Eyelid, and it's from the Glam palette by Natasha Denona, but you can use any light shimmery shade for this. I'm going to use my Patrick Ta makeup eyeshadow duos. I'm going to use two of them, and for the first one, I use the white shade, the silver shade, and then the second one, I'm using the hot pink shade. For my waterline and also my top lash line, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Black Pencil Eyeliner, and I'm going to use a little brush to kind of smoke it out a tiny bit so it's not such a big line. Using NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black for my upper lash line, and then following it up by using Haus Labs Mascara. This is going to prepare my lashes for faux lashes that I'm going to apply off camera. This BH Cosmetics Absinthe palette has the perfect shade of shimmery green, and I'm going to use that for my inner lash line to give that beautiful pop of green. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard. I love the way this foundation blends, and the finish is so beautiful. Now it's time for contour. For contour, I like to use Rare Beauty liquid contour in the shade Solace and apply it to the areas where I need contouring. Then I brush it in an upward motion using an oval contouring brush. This gives me the extra dimension that I need to make my makeup look very finished. I'm also going to contour my nose, and for this I use a small flat brush to kind of get the correct detail. For blush, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Strawberries and Cream Liquid Blush. It is such a beautiful shade and it blends really, really well. I felt that it went really well with this makeup look. The lipstick I'm applying here is MAC Get the Hint lipstick. It is from their Maximal lipstick collection, and then I applied Charlotte Tilbury gloss over top. I also used Matte Diva lipstick as an alternative for this look, so you'll see some of these poses have a bit of a darker lipstick. Here's my final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.